Tredz, the newly invented and easy to install tire treads. Winter is a tough yet fun experience for RC enthusiasts, but great traction losses occur when snow gets in between the treads of your tire and gets compacted in there, greatly reducing your traction, making your winter driving much more challenging. Even this 4-wheel drive Yeti equipped with a 3-cell LiPo can't even get over this small pile of snow. Tredz is a customized 3D printed wheel cover, specially designed for snow, sand, and mud. The paddles on Tredz are specially designed to propel you forward in tough terrains. Look at how long this Yeti spins out for before picking up some good speed. Now let's compare that to when Tredz are installed. Still not convinced? Check out this burst acceleration that Tredz provide. Note that the following video is not sped up. The installation and disassembly can be done in seconds. Treads are intentionally designed a few millimeters smaller than the actual tire size to ensure a tight fit, and vertical stoppers were added so that the tire doesn't spin inside.
Oh, my hip. Oh.